Ah, fall. The air turns crisp, and there's a certain magic in the atmosphere. Leaves shimmer with hues of gold and crimson, painting the landscape with nature's finest palette. It's the season for cozy sweaters, warm, comforting meals, and gathering with loved ones around the table. What better way to celebrate this beautiful season than with a steaming bowl of pumpkin soup, rich and hearty? This vibrant, flavorful soup embodies the essence of fall, capturing the season's warmth and richness in every spoonful. It's like a warm hug on a chilly evening, bringing comfort and joy to your soul. Pumpkin is more than just a decoration for Halloween or Thanksgiving. It's a versatile ingredient that shines in countless recipes, from savory dishes to sweet treats. And when transformed into a creamy, flavorful soup, it becomes a true autumnal delight, perfect for any occasion. So, let's gather our ingredients, embrace the spirit of fall, and embark on a culinary journey to create a bowl of pure fall bliss, one that will warm our hearts and homes. The beauty of pumpkin soup lies in its simplicity. It's a dish that brings comfort and warmth with every spoonful. With just a handful of pantry staples, you can create a culinary masterpiece. Here's what you'll need. And the best part is, you probably already have most of these ingredients in your kitchen. Pumpkin puree, the star of the show. Make sure to use pure pumpkin puree, not pumpkin pie filling. This will give your soup that authentic, rich pumpkin flavor. Broth, chicken, or vegetable broth both work well. The broth serves as the base, adding a savory depth to the soup. Onions and garlic. These aromatic staples add depth of flavor. Sauté them until they're golden and fragrant to bring out their natural sweetness. Spices. Warm spices like cinnamon, nutmeg, and ginger enhance the pumpkin's natural sweetness. These spices create a cozy, inviting aroma that fills your kitchen. Cream, optional. A touch of cream adds richness and a velvety texture. If you prefer a lighter soup, you can skip this step, but it does add a luxurious finish. With these simple ingredients, you're ready to create a pot of soup that will warm your heart and soul. It's perfect for a chilly evening or a cozy family dinner. Now, let's transform these humble ingredients into a symphony of flavors. Each element, from the vibrant vegetables to the aromatic spices, plays a crucial role in creating a dish that is both comforting and delicious. This recipe is incredibly easy to follow, even for beginner cooks. With clear, step-by-step instructions, you'll find yourself effortlessly creating a meal that looks and tastes like it came from a professional kitchen. First, start by sautéing chopped onions and garlic in a large pot until softened and fragrant. The key here is to cook them slowly, allowing their natural sweetness to develop and enhance the overall flavor of the soup. This builds a flavorful base for the soup. The aroma that fills your kitchen at this stage is just a hint of the deliciousness to come. Next, add the pumpkin puree, broth, and your chosen spices. Whether you prefer a hint of nutmeg, a dash of cinnamon, or a touch of cayenne for some heat, these spices will elevate the soup to new heights. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, allowing the flavors to meld and deepen. This simmering process is crucial as it lets all the ingredients come together, creating a harmonious blend of tastes. Once the soup has simmered, use an immersion blender or transfer it to a regular blender to achieve a smooth and creamy consistency. Blending the soup ensures that every spoonful is velvety and rich. If desired, stir in a splash of cream for extra richness. This step is optional but highly recommended for those who love a luxuriously creamy texture. That's it! Your cozy pumpkin soup is ready to be enjoyed. Serve it hot, garnished with a sprinkle of fresh herbs or a dollop of sour cream, and savor the comforting warmth of this delightful dish. Section 4. Elevate your soup tips and tricks. While this recipe is delicious as is, here are a few tips to take your pumpkin soup to the next level. For an even deeper flavor, try roasting the pumpkin yourself before pureeing. Experiment with different spice blends to find your perfect flavor profile, and get creative with toppings. Roasted pumpkin seeds, a swirl of cream, crumbled bacon, or a sprinkle of fresh herbs all add delicious finishing touches. Remember, cooking is all about experimentation and having fun. Section 5. A warm hug in a bowl. As you savor each spoonful of this creamy, flavorful soup, let its warmth envelop you like a cozy blanket on a chilly evening. The flavors of pumpkin, spices, and cream blend harmoniously, creating a symphony of taste that is both comforting and satisfying. Pumpkin soup is more than just a meal, it's an experience. It's a reminder of the simple pleasures in life. It's a taste of fall in every spoonful. So gather your loved ones, ladle up a bowl of this golden goodness, and savor the flavors of the season.